Okay, how do you change the text orientation from horizontal to vertical? Well, actually, there is no tool in Google Docs that allows you to do something like that. If you actually look at the toolbar up here, you won't see anything that says changing the text orientation. However, there is a simple workaround that I'm about to show you. Let's say I want to change this text orientation to vertical. What I need to do now is I'm going to select the text and then I'm going to copy it. Let's say click copy. By the way, you can also just click cut to remove the text, but that's totally up to you. I'm just showing the way to do it. Anyway, let's go to the insert menu, click drawing, and then click new. So this is the feature that allows you to basically rotate a piece of text in Google Docs. Click on the icon that says text box, and then here you can start drawing a text box using the cursor, or you can also just click anywhere to start adding a new text box like that. And I'm going to paste the text that I have created. I have copied, sorry about that. And I'm going to change the size of this text box. By the way, there are some tools that you can use. You can change the text size, you can change the font, you can change the style, color, border, and you can even insert some pictures if you want to. So this is quite versatile tool that allows you to design objects that is not possible in the traditional Google Docs document. Anyway, to rotate this text, you have to click on this icon, this dot, and then you have to carefully click and drag that dot with your mouse until it reaches the vertical orientation. I highly recommend to press and hold the shift key while doing it to make sure that you are able to reach the desired vertical orientation like this. So there are two options basically, but this is one way to do that. Another orientation is the 90-degree angle like that. So yeah, it's going to look like that. So it's totally up to you. And when you're done with the changing orientation, click save and close. And there you go. Now we have this text that is essentially vertical. And if you want to move it around, you can click the text wrapping setting for it. There are a few options, but the one that I recommend is wrap text. So this allows you to basically move this object together, and the other text surrounding it will automatically move away, so basically giving it some area for you to place this vertical text. So yeah, that's basically how you can insert or create a vertical text in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.